15th of March 2024. We have what's the the sounds.
Yeah.
What's the
Toritie 8.
Toritie 8 but also Siilinjärvi.
Yeah.
Small shopping center in Siilinjärvi, Kuopio region, Finland. And this was built in 1980. This number is H44711. But I think the basement was locked.
Yeah, but yeah.
It wants to close the doors. Oh no. Okay.
Yeah.
That takes a while to close.
Yeah.
That's amazing sounds.
Yeah.
I would almost take 3 rides because that's
Yeah, we can take 3 rides. Spectate by equipment maintained by Ovimatic.
Yeah.
Let's hope that it's not going to be modernized by Ovimatic. The floor indicator doesn't work so well.
No. But at least it's still working a little.
Yeah.
This could be late 1980.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Does it have the acoustic channel?
Yeah, but we have to check it.
I didn't really try them out first. Yeah, we'll check that. But the doors will close first.
Yeah. No.
But it's not the most amazing today.
Yeah.
The most amazing was 1984 classic rear sneaker elevators and 1978 Valmet with automatic doors and it's working.
Yeah.
And the 1981 Valmet with TV fixtures.
Yeah.
Acoustic resolution.
Yeah. That's